Hello friends, welcome to my channel Public Administration. In this channel we are going to discuss IGNOU MA Public Administration's topics. We have four purposes, as you know. MBA 011 is State, Society and Public Administration, 012 Administrative Theory, 013 is Public Systems Management, and 014 is Human Resource Management. Okay, then first of all, in today's video I am going to discuss the first chapter or the first lesson in MBA 012 Administrative Theory, and the chapter's name is Public Administration, its meaning, nature, scope and importance. And discussing about this chapter, deals with public administration, its definition, nature, scope and the difference between public administration and private administration, and its effect in LPG, means liberalization, privatization and globalization. Okay, let's move to the chapter. First of all, we have to know what is administration and where this word administration comes from. Note the point. The word administration or the word administer is derived from the Latin word administere. From the Latin word administere. Okay, and what that word means? It means to look after people, to care for people, or to manage the affairs of people. So, first of all, administration. What is administration? And it comes from the word Latin word administere, and it means care for people, to look after people or to manage their affairs. That is the first point. Okay. So, administration has four meanings in four different contexts. That is, we can define administration as a discipline, as a process, as a vocation, or as a synonym. As a discipline means such a branch of study. As a discipline, first we can define administration as a discipline context. Next, vocation context. Next, in process, we can define administration as a process. And the fourth and the last context, it is a synonym. Synonym means its meaning. Everybody knows the word synonym. Synonym means the same meaning word. Okay, first of all, synonym means administration means government or power. Administration such as Indian Administrative Service. Okay. Affairs or government affairs, such as the word that is synonym for executive or government. It can also be called administration, executive or government. Then what is it as a process? It's a process means the activities, the total activities or the sum total of activities taken to implement the public policies or the policies for some services or goods. It is a total of the activities undertaken. Total activities to implement public policies. Total activities to implement is a process or total activities to implement public policies or policies for good services. Then administration as a vocation or as a learning or as an activity, look here as public administration or such as a branch of learning, a branch or a work or trade, or it involves knowledge and training in a branch of advanced learning, that is as a vocation. Vocation means it is a profession or occupation and it involves mainly the knowledge and training. Involves knowledge and training. Involves knowledge and training. And the first, it is as a discipline. Discipline means public administration. It is a branch of or a department of learning. It is studied in colleges and universities. Studied in colleges and universities. So we can define administration in 4 different contexts: discipline, vocation, process and synonym. As a synonym, it is equal or it is same as that of executive or government or the dominant powers who have dominant powers in the field of administration. As a process, it is the sum total of activities undertaken to implement public policies or policies in services or produce some good services. As a vocation, it is a profession or occupation and it mainly involves knowledge and training in a particular area of advanced learning. And as a discipline, it is the name of a branch of learning. It is taught and studied in colleges or universities, that is as a discipline. Next, as a vocation, process and as a synonym. That is the definition of administration in 4 different contexts. Okay, then some famous people define defined administration in their own words. Okay, we have take a look at some of that words. E.N. Gladden. According to E.N. Gladden, what is administration? Okay, that is, it is as same as that of the synonym of administration we have discussed earlier. That is, according to Gladden, administration means to care or look after people or to manage affairs. It has an humble meaning, that is to care or look after people or to manage affairs. That is the words of E.N. Gladden. That is the synonym view. Synonym context of administration is same as that of the words of E.N. Gladden. That is to care or to look after the people or to take care of people or to the affairs in the to manage their affairs. Then Felix a Negro. Felix a Negro. What are the words about public administration or the definition of public administration according to Felix Negro? Administration is the organization and use of men and materials to accomplish a purpose. Okay, to accomplish a purpose or a useful purpose, we have to use men and materials. That is the simple definition of administration according to Felix and Negro. It is an organization and it uses men and material to accomplish some purposes that is useful to the society. According to J.M. Fifner and R. Prestios, it is also it has a slight difference from that of Felix and Negro. Felix and Negro, there was a slight difference from J.M. Fifner and R. Prestius. According to them, administration is same the organization and direction of human and materials resources to achieve desired ends. It is also the organization and human and material resources to achieve desired ends. According to Felix and Negro, it is an organization and use of men and materials to accomplish a purpose. But according to Fifner and Prestius, administration is the organization and direction of human and material resources to achieve desired ends. Okay. Similarly, there are definitions of administration according to L.D. White, Luther Gulick, F.M. Max, Herbert D. Simon and V.A. Thompson. Okay, take a look at that. Okay, in short, we can define administration as the activities of group cooperating to accomplish common goals. What is that? To accomplish common goals, we have to accomplish common goals. We have to do some activities, and that sum total of activities taken by the government or the executive, okay, etc. We can be say that process, total process as administration. Okay, we can also call administration as technology of social relationship. We can define administration as technology of social relationship. Administration means technology of social relationships. Technology of social relationship. Then, okay, the first section we have discussed about administration, from where this word comes from, then its meaning in for different context, different context means what different for context, as a discipline, as a vocation, as a process, as a synonym. Then the second is different writers. According to different writers, what is administration and what administration is according to different writers like E.M. Gladden, Brooks Adams, Felix and Negro, Fifner and Prestius, etc. Okay, we can conclude administration as a sum total of the activities, of group cooperating to accomplish, sum total of activities undertaken to accomplish common goals. That is administration is. Or administration is the technology of social relationships. Administration is the technology of social relationships, or it is a process common to all group effort. It is whether it is private or public or civil or military, large scale or small scale, every institution or every organization have an administration, and that administration is the total activities undertaken to accomplish their goals. That is all the administration is. That is all the administration is.